How to add CSS to Wix. First, I'm going to go to this website and copy my custom code right here just to show you as an example. So I'm just going to copy this code and I'm going to go back to my Wix dashboard. Now from the Wix dashboard, if you want to add custom CSS, then you will scroll down until you see settings from the left hand side, and right here we just want to click on settings. After we have gone to the settings page, we want to scroll all the way down until you see this advanced and custom code option. So we just want to select custom code, and if you want to add custom code, you will need to publish your website, so you will need to have a subscription. But basically right here, if you want to add custom code, you will simply click on add custom code and you will right click and paste your custom code right here, and you will be able to save it at the bottom. So I hope this helps you out on how you can find this page and how you can add custom code. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.